Hi HoloFitters. Let's deep dive today in the HOLOFIT Journey mode. Let's talk about the fork in the path, what you can expect in this mode, and about the trophies. My name is Sylvain and this is a new HOLOtip. To access this Journey mode, you click here on Explore, then Journey, and you will see here the 15 environments available. Or you could choose the surprise on the top left of the screen. On the next screen, you will see a map of the environment with the fork in the path. Here we see in Canyon that we have 2, and the different point of entries of the environment. Here we have 4. And you also see on the top the distance. When you arrive at a fork in the path, you will see 2 white lozenges, and you just have to look on the left or on the right to choose your path. So here I choose the left, for instance. And if I do a second tour and I come here again, the path I've already taken will be in green. A tip for you, you are not obliged to look directly into the lozenge to choose the path. Just look on the right, on the left. And this tip is really useful in troglodyte, for instance, because you will not very easily look into the lozenge when you arrive on the fork. Note also that not all environments propose fork in the path. For instance, Cyberpunk or Eggbullet don't have any fork in the path. Now the trophy. So you see here when you start an environment, 2 types of trophy. The regular trophy on the bottom, the orange one. And here you see the trophy you already collected at least once. And on top you see the special trophies, the green ones. And here we see that I'm still missing one of the green trophy. When you find a trophy, you will have a visual and a sound notification, and you just have to look at the trophy and maintain your look long enough. And HOLOFIT will tell you how many times you have found this trophy. Here it has been 74th time I found this trophy. So the number of trophies are dependent on the environment. It varies from 12 in Troglodyte to 30 in Grand Sampler. And I personally find this gaming approach as it helps the brain to forget that we are currently sweating on a bike or on a rower. So you can push harder and longer and faster. So you see there are orange regular trophy that bring you 10 points. And some of them will trigger some special event. Try the flag in Paris, for instance. And you have special trophies, the green ones. So you have usually 3 per environment, but sometimes it can go up to 4 or 5. And you have to push to get the trophy. There are different levels of difficulties from 1 star, 2 star, 3 star. And you really have to push really hard for the 3 stars. You also have blue trophies, which are special trophies like the pickaxe in Troglodyte, or the boxes you have to collect in Antarctica. Some of them will bring points, but usually it triggers a local event. And you have also the yellow trophies for the special events like Halloween, where you had to collect the witch. In some environments, you can also find golden eggs that will trigger something huge and very fun to watch. But will you be able to find them all? I just discovered something in the HOLOFIT app I wanted to share with you. Here I'm on my ranking page, and if I go to the challenge here at the bottom, the button challenge, and we click on trophies here, usually you arrive on the screen that will show one of your environment. Here I'm in the abyss, and I can see all the trophies I've collected in the abyss. I can even see the special trophies I've not collected yet. You see here the 3 green trophies that are special trophies. So I need to do this environment a bit more so that I can get all those green trophies. But if I click on the achievements on top right of the screen here, and I choose achievement all, I will see here the witch I've collected. So you see I've collected 12 witch, just one more to go, and I will see all of my achievements regarding the length of my training by footing, skiing, biking, and obviously rowing. I see the past trophies for Easter, and I see also the which I've not collected. So I need to collect Willow the Sorrowful, and I just discovered that, so I thought you might like it. Bye guys, it was Sylvain for the HOLOtip.